Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best laser engraving machine. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5, brand name, Tufting. The A5M50 Pro 40-watt laser engraver is equipped with a terminal control panel, which supports offline engraving, so that you can engrave anywhere, anytime without the restriction of a computer. The A5M50 Pro laser cutter and engraver machine has quadruple lens compression technology, 5 to 5.5 watt optical power, fixed focus compressed spot smaller and the energy more concentrated, and more refined engraving products. It can not only engrave, but also cut 0.8 inch of the wood and 0.6 inch acrylic. Everything is neatly packaged and the smaller pieces are pre-separated into steps that match the instructions. Each assembly step has its own separate package of fittings used in that step. All parts are marked with steps so there is no confusions. The entire setup was about 30 minutes. The laser is equipped with a protective cover to protect the eyes of the user without the need to wear additional protective glasses. At the same time prevent pets from grabbing the laser spot. Made of aluminum, strong and durable. Upgraded high-quality fixed focus laser, no need to focus. Aviation aluminum TTL driver board with cooling fan can ensure continuous long-time work. Engravable materials, wood, bamboo, cardboard, plastic, leather, PCB board, aluminum oxide, non-reflective electroplating layer and lacquered metal, after blackening utility knife. Cardboard, non-woven fabric, veneer, acrylic, some thin plastic board. High energy can cut 10 mm thickness plates at one time. The laser sintering temperature is 1100 degrees, the effective engraving metal is better. The laser has a built-in horizontal gyroscope anti-tip protection device, and it stops working when the tilt angle is 20 degrees. The wind-collecting hood can clean the smoke and dust to protect the lens to avoid laser energy attenuation. Number 4. Brand name, Tufting. Tufting S10 Pro laser engraver with 50-watt machine power and 10W laser output power. Ultra-fine laser focus area is reduced to 0.06 into 0.06 mm. High-density laser can cut 15 to 20 mm thick wood. Engraved mirror, stainless steel metal, ceramics, glass. Cutting speed is 40% higher than the ordinary model. The panoramic filter glass protective cover plays a very good role in protecting your eyes, filtering 97% of the ultraviolet light. You and the people around you can also watch laser engraving without wear goggles. Reduce the cost of your goggles and the inconvenience of wearing goggles. The all-aluminum alloy anodized structure design makes the machine more durable and improves the accuracy of engraving. The entire structure has been designed for quick assembly, and the assembly can generally be completed within 10 to 20 minutes. No need to adjust the focus before engraving. The laser power of the fixed focus laser is more stable than the zoom laser. There are precise scale lines on the x-axis and y-axis to facilitate quick length measurement. 410 into 400 mm large area engraving interval can meet your various engraving needs. S10 Pro laser engraving machine configures the terminal control panel, supports offline engraving and with emergency stop button. After you install the software and upload the file, you can carry out engraving work anytime and anywhere without being restricted by the computer. Uses an integrated screw rod which makes the movement of the laser more precise. Number 3. Brand name, Wayne Lux. Wainlux JL3 Laser Master Pro is upgraded version for Wainlux Laser Engraver JL3. Adding a new function of auto shutdown when abnormal movement detection, upgraded firmware and advanced 64-bit motherboard. With powerful laser module, faster Wi-Fi connection, smooth engraving speed, higher accuracy, this Laser Master Pro will definitely bring user a new wonderful engraving or cutting experience. This Laser Master Engraver not also for engraving but also cutting. This engraving machine is adjustable focus instead of fixed focus. It won't become bigger. Number 2. Brand name, Okaru. NEJE provides replaceable extension rods. Users can expand the working area independently. 40-watt power module, 15-watt optical power output, 0.1 mm focal point, support for engraving and cutting. The laser module comes with a protective panel designed to block more than 90% of the leaking light. Built-in MEMS roll protection. Intelligent drive, can automatically adjust the fan speed according to the laser temperature. Easier and professional creation support NEJE app wireless control. NEJE software high precision control engraving. And perfectly support laser GRBL and light burn software. With 32-bit advanced control system, complete more professional design. NEJE 4-pin interface series modules, including 3500 mW. 7-watt, 20-watt, 30-watt, 40-watt etc. Can be engraved, acrylic, leather, MDF, metal, paper, plastic, plywood, rubber, wood, painted metal or aluminium. The spot can be focused smaller than CO2 laser. The size of the working area can be freely expanded compared with CO2 laser. Number 1. Brand name, T-Trees. Stable operation, there is no gap between the pulley and the track at 90 degrees and it is matched with the layout of triangular pulley, so that the machine runs smoothly without shaking and has good stability. Adjustable laser head, using high-quality laser head, support continuous software adjustable, control the laser intensity, realize multi-purpose. 0.01 mm high precision engraving, can easily print all images. High quality, aluminum alloy and acrylic body, fine workmanship, durable and wear resistant, long service life. Environmental originally mounted components, stable quality. Flexible use, open structure motherboard with pins reserved for self-development and matching. Replaceable laser module, can install other modules to get different laser power. Easy to assemble and use,